Vector is a quantity that has a both negative direction and is represented by an arrow. The arrow's direction is the direction of quantity, and the wings of the arrow indicates its magnitude. Displacement, velocity, acceleration, and force are all vectors. Displacement is the shortest distance from the starting point to the end point. Displacement has direction and is therefore a vector. Or it can be defined as imaginary straight path which is different from the actual path. For example, Jessica is routing to her work at the factory with a given distance of 200 meters. But is she actually 200 meters away from her initial point? No, she is only 120 meters away from her initial position. The magnitude equal to the speed traveled and with an indicated direction of motion. Acceleration is a vector quantity that is defined as the rate at which an object changes its velocity. The combination of acceleration and velocity, for example, the car gains speed while moving down the incline. That is accelerate. Along the straight vectors of track, the car slows down slightly due to air resistance forces. For example, in this animation, if you inspect each car individually, you will more likely notice that only the green and the blue car accelerates. The red car moves with a constant speed, covering the same distance in each second of the animation. The green and the blue cars are speeding up, thus covering an increasing distance in each second of the animation. And what car does have a greater acceleration? The blue car has a greater acceleration. It is changing its velocity at a more drastic rate. Force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. Forces only exist as a result of an interaction. Force is also a quantity that is measured using the standard metric unit known as Newton.